The word likely is similar to probably. When you say something is likely to happen or probably going to happen, that means there's a good chance that it will happen. It's likely to get warmer this week. Now, as we head into spring, this is what happens, or it's likely to happen. They probably have it, whatever this is, or it's likely that they have it. This is optional. You can take this off and just say it's likely they have it. Or you could put likely here and just say they likely have it. We're likely to have some flooding this spring. As the snow melts, the water rises in rivers and lakes, and that's why we're likely to have some flooding. In these sentences, likely is an adjective for a noun. It comes before a noun. She's a likely candidate. She's a possible candidate. So likely is, in this case, is very similar to possible. She's a likely candidate for the position. That's a likely outcome. This is the noun and this is the adjective. It's a likely possibility. So instead of saying it's a possible possibility, which would not sound very good, this is okay to say it's a likely possibility. To increase the meaning of this word, you can put very, the word very, or highly in front of likely. Very likely or highly likely. The team is likely to lose the game. Here, you can put very. The team is very likely to lose the game. Or you can use highly. It's highly likely that they will lose the game. Or you could make this negative and say it's highly unlikely that they will lose the game. The opposite of likely is unlikely, or you can say not likely. After looking at the weather forecast, I can say that it's unlikely to get warm soon. That is within the next 2 or 3 weeks. Or I can say it's not, and then the next word would be likely. It's not likely to get warm soon. When likely is used in a question, use how in front of likely. How likely is that to happen? Or how likely is it? Whatever this is. How likely is it that we'll get rain this weekend? And the answer could be, it's likely. Or if it's negative, you could put un here, it's unlikely. Or you could use not as an answer, it's not likely. Or to increase the possibility, you could say it's very likely. Or you could say it's highly likely.